Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Cooking Dance, and in today's video we are going to be making vegetables egg muffins. These are like so easy to make, but it's just a twist on the daily, vegetables and eggs. It can be perfect for a snack or a breakfast. Yeah, it's just loaded with minerals, vitamins, and a lot of nutrients for your body. So I hope you like it. So we have our capsicums, I have an onion, I have a carrot, and I have a zucchini. I'm just going to show you how I make sure these all work together to give us a delicious meal at the end of the day. So if you have like children, let's say, that you want or you struggle to feed vegetables and they're like really fussy, but they would actually eat eggs, this would be a perfect choice for you. Or if you just want to twist it up and, not have to eat raw things or just have to cook them separately, I hope this video also comes through. So I'm just going to chop all my vegetables into small cubes that are really like easy to work with. No one wants to be biting into a huge chunk of onions in the middle of an egg. Yeah, but if that works for you, no wahala, you can just go on and do that. And I also think uh, anyone can use whatever vegetables they have. You shouldn't be limited to what you can put in your egg muffins, but these are what I wanted to use. And yeah, I prefer raw tomatoes, otherwise I would have put them inside here. Nyanya mbisi, yeah, I prefer raw tomatoes whenever I'm having eggs, so that's why I didn't put them in here. And these sweet peppers are really like nice, like the color. Yeah, the colors and the flavors really come through. And if you want some heat in there, you can just add in some jalapenos or just any pepper, maybe some chili flakes, any. Just make it comfortable for your taste buds. So once everything is done being chopped, we're just going to put everything into our mixing bowl, and I'm just going to mix them together so that we don't have yellow peppers this side, green peppers this side, and carrots this side. So everything is just well mixed. And I mean, look at that color. You can even just add in some lemon juice and some salt, and you have it as a salad or kachumbali. I don't know how you call it, but it's perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get my vegetable peeler and just, cut these stripes on my zucchini. Zucchini is also called akuget. Yeah, if you can find it in the nearest supermarket or the local markets, they are actually always there. Yeah, so you just make these. You can use a mandolin, it's a vegetable cutter. You can use this one. You can even use just a knife if you're like keen enough to cut out thin slices of the zucchini. Just lay them out, and yeah, you can just sprinkle there some salt so that some water is absorbed up. But I mean, these are eggs and it's all liquid, but if you just want them dry, you want them for something else, yeah, that's a trick. Just sprinkle some salt and the water comes up, then you tap with a paper towel and you're good to go. So once these are up and going, I'm just going to go on with my eggs. So break each egg. I'm going to be using 5 eggs. Break each egg into the jar, but first into this bowl. Actually, this particular video is an experience that I have been talking about, like breaking eggs separately before you spoil things. I broke these eggs, and one of them, this one, was dead. It was like rotten inside, and imagine I was breaking it into the other jar. Now everything would have been dead. So I break it on the side. If it's having a bad smell, I'll just throw it away and then continue with the rest of the cooking. I don't have to waste all my eggs. So I'm just going to season the eggs with some salt and black pepper, and then I'll just go on with my cooking. This shouldn't even take that long. Like 10 minutes you'd be done. Yeah. So all my ingredients are cut and prepared. So I'm going to go on my tray. I have this cupcake tray that has like holes in there. I don't know any replacement. Yeah, if you can maybe mix together and just make omelets. But yeah, if they are muffins, we're just going to use this tray. And I'm going to go in with some olive oil just in the side so that my zucchini doesn't stick down. Yes, it's an non-stick, but still. And if you can have like cooking oil spray, much better. But if you don't, then just pass through a brush with this. And so I'm going to line in my sliced zucchini to make muffin bags or muffin cups. Either way, we are going to have to eat these vegetables. So it's about us to make them, nice and tasty and attractive and be more creative with them. So I just make all my pan lined with the zucchini slices. This is why we need the thin slices. So if you're opting to use a knife, it may take you some good time to actually cut those thin slices. Even this cutter didn't do me justice because some of them stayed a little bit thick. The thin ones are like easy to work with, but also this size was like a really bit crunchy and nice. It didn't overcook. So once I'm done putting in my zucchini cups or bowls, whatever these are, I'm just going to go in and fill each zucchini cup. I'm going to fill it with that mixture of the vegetables we chopped. And none of them is already seasoned because the eggs are already seasoned with salt and pepper. And because it's liquid, it's going to soak up everything. Then I don't have to over season everything, or else I'll end up with something that is really salty, and no one likes over salty or salty things. So I'm just going to go in and fill my cups with some egg. Don't put too much, don't put too little, because they'll also bubble up and we don't want a mess in the oven. Yeah, so after that, I'm just going to tuck in the zucchini. When they are thin enough, it should be easy. Just bend them over and they will obey. Because when you leave them out, they will dry out. The heat in the oven is also tough, so they will dry out and it will not be a nice thing at the end of the day. So that is smart, that is nice, and it's okay. Put them in the oven, 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, and the eggs will be ready. They will rise up, but then they will later on fall down, and then you can just be ready to serve. I served these on a bed of some fresh lettuce. You can just serve them whichever way, really. You can just put there some dressing, some ketchup, or just even have them the way they are, because they are really juicy and really tasty. The carrots came through. Everything was just on point. So pass a knife around the cakes or the muffins, the egg muffins, and then remove, but after some time of cooling. That is about 3 minutes out of the oven. But first, before I go on decorating the other plate, let me show you how they look inside. Get your knife and cut. And surprise, look at the colors. Are we eating our colors, ladies? Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment. Bye.